Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy egg sandwich palaman. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 6 hard-boiled eggs, 1/4 cup of creamy mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon of your favorite mustard. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and 2 tablespoons of minced red onion. Don't forget to have salt and freshly ground black pepper on hand for perfect seasoning. These few items are all you need to create a delicious spread. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, let's prepare the eggs. Begin by carefully peeling the shells from all 6 of your hard-boiled eggs. Once peeled, place them into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Next, take a fork or a potato masher and thoroughly mash the eggs. You can mash them finely for a smoother palaman, or leave some larger chunks for a more textured bite. Aim for a consistent mash throughout the bowl. With your eggs perfectly mashed, it's time to combine everything to create our delicious palaman. Add the 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and the 1 tablespoon of mustard directly into the bowl with the mashed eggs. Then, stir in your 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and the 2 tablespoons of minced red onion. Mix all of these ingredients together thoroughly until they are evenly combined and the mixture achieves a wonderfully creamy consistency. Ensure no dry spots remain. Finally, it's time to season your egg sandwich palaman to perfection. Add salt and freshly ground black pepper generously, adjusting to your personal taste. Give it a good stir, then take a small taste to ensure the flavors are perfectly balanced. If needed, add a little more salt or pepper. Once seasoned, spread this delightful mixture generously on your favorite bread, toast, or crackers. It's ready to enjoy immediately for a quick and satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.